Good morning, children. In this video number 72, we will solve the grammar exercises in chapter number 9, Total English book. So, children, open your books at page number 142, chapter 9. Active and passive voice. What do they refer to? They refer to the form of a verb. So, active voice is the subject of the verb where the person or the thing is doing the action. Like Naveen cooked the food. Passive voice. Action is done to the subject. The food was cooked by Naveen. Look at the forms of passive voice. Number 1. A tense of to be plus past participle. Now active. If we have the sentence he washes the clothes, it will change in passive to the clothes are washed by him. If in active you have he has washed the clothes. In passive, what is the answer? The clothes have been washed by him. Active, he is washing the clothes. So passive, the clothes are being washed by him. Number 2, modal plus be have been plus past participle. Active, he may wash the clothes. Passive of this, the clothes may be washed by him. Active, he has washed the clothes. Passive, the clothes have been washed by him. Third example, infinite to be, to have been plus past participle. In active, he is to wash the clothes. So what is the passive? The clothes are to be washed by him. Active, he was to wash the clothes. What is the passive? The clothes were to have been washed by him. Number 4, ing form, being or having been plus past participle. Active, washing will change to being washed. Having washed will change to having been washed. Children, passive voice occurs only with verbs used transitively. That is, the verbs which are followed by an object. Look at the example. Active, we have someone beat him yesterday. What is the passive? He was beaten by someone yesterday. Children, in the direct and indirect objects like verbs like give and bring, which can have two objects, can have two passive forms. For example, if we have active sentence, he gave her indirect object, a pen, direct object. Passive forms can be two. She was given a pen by him or a pen was given to her by him. Now, what are the uses of passive voice? Sometimes active equivalents would be hard to use for sentences like Rome was not built in a day. Passive voice is used when speakers do not wish to commit themselves to actions, opinions or statements. For example, hundreds of magazines are published every month. Passive voice is often a useful way of expressing something impersonally, like it is hoped that, it is said that. Passive form is often found in report writing, like it is hoped that survivors will be found. Passive voice is also used when we wish to focus on a happening. For example, our roof was damaged in the storm. Children, let's do page number 144 now. Passive voice is used when we wish to avoid using a vague word as a subject, like after my lecture, I was asked to explain a point. It is also used when the subject is an indefinite pronoun like one. The form has to be signed. Passive voice is obligatory in notices. For example, entry prohibited. Let's solve the assignment according to the instructions given. Number 1. Why did he deprive you of your property? Begin with why were you? So what's the answer? Why were you deprived of your property by him? Question mark. Number 2. No one ought ever to make so false an assumption. So false an assumption ought never to be made. Number 3. It is usually found that the trouble is caused by overeating. What's the answer? People usually find that overeating causes the trouble. Number 4. 3 men are loading the cart. Answer. The cart is being loaded by 3 men. He was known to be a kind man. Answer. People knew him to be a kind man. 6. Alas, we shall hear his voice no more. Answer, alas, his voice will no more be heard by us. Number 7, we must listen to his music. His music must be listened to by us. Number 8, there is reason to believe that they have saved the crew. It is reasonable to believe that they have saved the crew. He will be elected secretary by the group. Answer, the group will elect him as a secretary. Number 10, short dresses are now being worn again. Ladies are now wearing short dresses again. Now children, turn to page number 152 for question number 5, A part. Example 0 is already given, to spend. Let's begin reading the passage and solving it. There was a king. So was a king, that means it's a story and in past tense. There was a king in China who used to spend hours in his uniform. Now doing what? Parade will change to parading. Before a mirror in his room. He would remain secluded in his palace, admiring himself while his subjects dashed to death, starved, past tense, and his kingdom went to ruin. One night, a courtier gathered a group of palace, whom attendants, noun, and while the king slept, cut a window on the wall where the king's mirror had hung. The next morning, when the king dressed himself in his, what kind of medals now? Adjective is used here. So sparkle will change to adjective, sparkling medals. He walked to where the mirror had been and saw to his amazement the unending procession of his people passing on the street. He saw starving children reaching into garbage cans for crusts. He saw sick and maim, the same word will be used. Maim, men and women. He, past tense of tear, tore. So he tore off his medals, called for simple clothes and went out. To do what? To mingle with the people. His whole outlook on life changed when he stopped looking into mirror at only himself. Let's do part B now for filling the blanks. Number 1, cholera has broken out in our village. Number 2, he made ambitious plans but all of them fell through. Does not happen. The burglars made away with our money, stole. The hunger strike was called off last night. Will not happen now. Called off means will not happen. Number 5. After his father's death, his brother has turned against him. The Indian army put down the rebellion. Down means stopped. I dipped down. Now here dip down means to become less. I dipped down my savings at the end of the month. Number 8. She furnished him with the facts surrounding the case. Furnished with, to provide. Now come to part C. Join the sentences. Number 1. Clear the written test. Only then you will be called for an interview. What's the answer? You will be called for an interview only if you clear the written test. Full stop. Now, part 2. He made us laugh. He told us a funny story. He made us laugh by telling a funny story. He whispered something, it was not audible. He whispered something which was not audible. He is wealthy. He can easily buy the best car. He can easily buy the best car here as he is wealthy. Come to part D for rewriting the sentences according to instructions. Number 1. Besides being honest, he is intelligent. Use not only but also. He is not only honest but also intelligent. Number 2. I shall go to the market if you come. End with unless you come. I shall not go to the market unless you come. 3. Do you mean to go abroad? Use intention. Do you have intention to go abroad? Number 4. No one could have taken the responsibility. Begin with anyone. Anyone could not have taken the responsibility. Full stop. Number 5. The businessman has enemies, but he has a bodyguard to protect him. Begin with, so the businessman has a bodyguard to protect him from his enemies. Number 6. Work hard and you will succeed. Unless you work hard, comma, you will not succeed, full stop. Number 7. He was sorry that he had not said goodbye to her. Begin with he regretted. Can be two answers. He regretted for not having said goodbye to her. Another can be he regretted that he had not said goodbye to her. Number 8. We are preparing for his birthday. Begin with preparations. So preparations for his birthday are being done by us, full stop. Children, with this we have finished chapter 9. Thank you.